What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to create meme coin on Ton. The first thing you'll need to do is to set up a wallet. Download and install a Ton compatible wallet. There are popular options such as Ton Keeper, or alternatively you can access your wallet through the Telegram app if you're using a wallet integrated in the Telegram app. Then when you have that sorted out, you'll need to create your meme coin. First, go to a token minting website on the Ton blockchain. This could be minter.ton.org, and this link will be in the description below. When you get there, you can connect your Ton wallet to Ton Minted. Provide the necessary details for your meme coin, such as your logo. So this means you would have had a designed logo for your coin. Make sure to choose a nice one, and then you'll need to choose a name for your coin. This could be, for example, Dogecoin, right? And of course, you need to make sure that this name is unique and it hasn't been taken. Then you'll need to choose a ticker. Choose a short symbol for your meme coin. So if you have a meme coin called Dogecoin, you could have Dogecoin as the name of the ticker, or you could take away some vowels, such as having DGTON. And then the next thing is the supply. Determine the number of tokens that will exist. Because you're the creator, you get to choose this. Consider the implications of a large versus small supply. For example, if you have a small supply, this means fewer tokens, leading to higher price per token or scarcity. And this is a potential for significant percentage gains, but your coin might feel expensive to buy. If you're having a large supply, this means that you have many tokens, leading to very low price per token, and it's also accessible and also allows people to own millions or billions of units, which can also attract retail investors. But it's harder for the price per token to reach high values like $1, so you will need to find your balance. Then of course you need to have a description, so go ahead and write a brief description of your meme coin. Then the next stage is to manage your meme coin. Ton Minted usually provides options to mint or burn tokens, so this means you will need to create new tokens or destroy existing ones if you have the necessary permissions, which you should initially. Then transfer coins. This is an option to send tokens to other wallets. The next you'll need to edit the details, modify the coin's information such as the name, description, etc. before revoking admin rights. It is crucial to revoke your administrative privileges over the token contract after the initial setup. This makes the coin more trustworthy, as it demonstrates that you cannot arbitrarily change the supply or other parameters. This is an important step to follow. After this stage is done, you'll need to consider adding liquidity. So go to a decentralized exchange or DEX on the Ton blockchain, such as DDost, connect your wallet to the DEX, then you'll need to find add liquidity or a similar section. Then comes the creating of a trading pair for your meme coin. This usually involves pairing your coin with another more established currency, such as USDT or Ton itself. Then determine the ratio of your meme coin to the other cryptocurrency which you want to provide. This will set the initial price. Then confirm the transaction. This will make your meme coin tradable on the DEX. Of course, after creating your meme coin, you might want to definitely consider promoting your meme coin. In order to do this, you'll need to consider building a community around your meme coin, creating a Telegram group or social media channels for your community, and also consider having ads for them. So go ahead and use engaging memes and marketing strategies to attract interest, and be aware that meme coins are very risky and most do fail. So honest and transparent communication is important to your strategy. We wish you success in creating your meme coin.